Hi, thank you, Sean. Thank you so much for the session as well, Mr. Prashant. So let me introduce to you the next speaker of the day. So her name is Ms Christine Chong. She is the head of skills development of Peninsula College Sdn, or more commonly known as Penn Skills. She is a HRDF certified trainer and has been involved in training and counseling for more than 10 years with the intention of increasing the morale, creativity, performance of the employee and quality of lives of people. Hi, Christine. Are you there?
Hi, Beyonce.
Hi, how are you
Oh,
doing?
I'm good. I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm doing good as well. Just a little tidbit information for our viewers out there. Christine is actually joining with us today from Selangor. So we are all here. The team is in Batu Kawan, Penang. So we and is all in compliance of the CMCO ruling.
That's right.
So Christine, I believe you have a short presentation for us.
Yes, I do. Just give me a minute, Beyonce.
Sure, no problem.
Please let me know if you can see the PowerPoint, Beyonce. Can you see
All
that?
right. Not yet. We are still waiting for it. No worries.
Okay.
We'll okay. So while Christine tried to, you know,
Oh, my side is already up. Can you see on your side?
no, still not live.
No.
No
Hold on.
worries. Okay, it's all right. Take your time. So terribly sorry for the little technical issue. It's actually pretty normal for technical issue. Ah, great, it's sorted out. Okay, Christine, the floor is yours.
Okay. Can see now?
Yes.
Okay, great. All right. Only few slides. There's not many. I just briefly go through. So later on, maybe there's any questions from the floor. Just let me know.
All
Right.
right, sure.
Okay, Pen Skill, like you just mentioned, actually our full name is Peninsula Skills Syndrome Berhad, but we commonly known as Pen Skill. And Pen Skill been set up 3 years ago in 2018. Is to embrace the government visions towards the human capital development. Most of our program we have this WIT, we embed with this WIT. So most of our program we have this very hands-on and practical content in our program. Let me just move on. Right. So you might be wondering, so what do we offer? So basically, we offer any programs ranging from customized to public offering. Firstly, for those who just finished school, they want additional certificate for maybe in the same field like logistic, who just finished diploma and degree. They want anything additional. By all means, they can come to us. Also, for graduates have a different from come from a different fields, like maybe they're from accounts, from business, and they want to have upskill, rescaling themselves, they can always come to us as well. And of course, we have those already in the workforce have been working. They want to upskill. We do have program for them as well. And last and not least, we have customized program. Those it can be either from logistic or from non-logistic. Later on, I also will show you the list of those programs that I just mentioned. So
Okay.
when we started 3 years
I'm
ago, we
sorry,
actually
Christine. Sorry to Christine to interrupt. I believe your screen is actually stuck at the uh, PowerPoint page,
which page is it? You
the
can see the
first
cover,
page.
still in the cover, is it?
Yes,
Wondering why, but my site works well.
it's all right.
Is there any suggestions? Anything we can do about it?
Just one
Should I
minute.
stop? Maybe I can try to stop sharing and then
Yes,
to
if you
share
could
again. Yeah,
stop
that might
sharing
help.
and retry again. Yeah.
Okay, that might help. Hold on.
So thank you, viewers, for being patient with us while we manage this minor technical issue.
Let me just start again. Okay. Okay, here it goes again. Let me know.
Okay. All right. And if you could full screen,
All
please.
right. We have just covered this. Can I just proceed to this page? This is where we
Uh,
stop.
mhm.
Is it moving?
No, it's all right. So no, maybe instead of full screen, we can just focus on the PowerPoint.
It's actually full screen my side. You can't see the full screen. Huh? Which
No,
page are you? My side is what have we done?
we are at what we can offer.
Oh, good. Oh, boy. Let me try. Okay, I think I just carry on. There might be
Okay,
some
sure.
technical issue here. So
No
guys, just
worries on that.
if you can just bear with me, just listen to me. And as I mentioned, we started with these very industry certificates in logistic operations back in 2018. We had
Hmm.
that for the school leaver who actually through that program they are not just being taught by the very experienced industry experts in logistic, but they also have a chance being paid for their on the job training. So they
Hmm.
ultimately they gain the employment with this top-notch industry player, which is PKT Group. And then within the next 3 years, we have been successfully progressed into many others models and sectors. So one of it is as I mentioned, is the industrial certifications.
Hmm.
We have helped PKT to train about 5 batches of the trainees and prepare
Okay.
them for employment. And we also done the 2 batches for Flextronics as well. One
Hmm.
of it is a professional certificate. Another one is a professional diploma. Both are in logistic operation as well. So this is what I mentioned is just the industry certification. We also have what we have the ongoing weekly E-Logistic program. This is
Okay.
actually started last year due to the MCO, the first MCO, because we found that people have because when physical trainings is not able to be conducted, we quickly think of the solutions. How do people can still able to upgrade themselves, upskilling and reskilling in the comfort at home. So this is why we
Hmm.
offer these short e-learning courses. It's only like 2.5 hours and it's very affordable. It's only 99 ringgit per module. And we just
Okay.
had one this morning, and that make us total of 40 sessions so far we have done with
Wow.
17
Well,
topics. Yeah.
okay, that's very
Right.
impressive.
Yes, correct. And we also have this career skill program. Maybe you can't see the slide yet. This is a third kind of model we have. We actually targeted to those graduates, especially like we have done a few sessions with polytechnics, and basically to prepare these students when they are about to go to job market, they will have to go through the process of preparing a very impressive resume, and also we will groom them how to make a very how to nail the job interview. Hopefully, I mean, they can actually land a job lah. This is actually what we
Okay.
do. We prepare them in employability skill. And the next one is an industrial driven program, which is a non-logistic program. We have like ICT program. Last year we have done a few. We have a watchguard fireware essential training. We have this automation professional course as well. We also have these quality control 7QC and first aid training and some performance management and some professional truck driver awareness training, business etiquette, and essential business telephone skills and a lean office. So these are the things we have covered. Basically, these are the very customized kind of course, actually to meet the needs of the different companies. Yeah,
Okay.
and last but not least is recently we have started this consultation services. We have these clients based in Johor. Yeah, we actually give them these warehouse operations, this what they call that consultation services. So basically, we have covered about what we have done lah. Beyonce.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you so much, Christine, for that sharing. So I just have a few questions
Sure.
just for the benefit of our viewers. So to start things off, what can I do with an industry certification offered by Penn Skills?
Right, good questions. As I mentioned, it's actually for those who actually want to like upgrade themselves beside what they already have. Like they might have a diploma in various different field. It can be from logistic itself. You want additionals because what's special about our Pen Skills program is we really a very practical and hands-on. Yeah, very hands-on program. So you want to have that beside the theoretical kind of courses. You come to us, we will show you because our trainers are actually from the industry itself. Yeah, they are very
Mhm.
experienced. They can share with you what's actually happening right now in the industry. So it's pretty much very up to date.
Okay, all right. And I'm just reading a question from our viewers right now. There's a question that boleh ambil HRDF untuk ambil cert pen skill, or to translate that to English, can we utilize the HRDF fund to take the pen skill certificate?
Absolutely, we can. You just need to let us know. Our admin staff will help you up with the required document for the HRDF applications. There are some paperwork need to be done before you actually enroll with our course. No worries, we can. Our staff can help you out for this.
Okay, great. And next question, could you share with us some of the success story you have with previous participants?
Sure. I can just quote one of them because we all have limited time.
Okay.
One of the participants shared with us recently. She has been jobless for 9 months, having difficulties to even get a job interview. I think probably most probably is because of the MCO and lockdown and all that. And then she, after attended a few round the e-learning with us, only on the short courses on during the weekend, and she able to use the certificate from Penskill and able to get a chance to go to interview, and eventually she got the job, and then we were so happy for her,
Great.
you know. So it actually makes some difference, you know. I mean she able to get the job at the end. Yeah, that's only
Okay.
one
So,
of it.
in that sense, industry certification does help. It helps show future employers that these people, participants, are taking the initiative to upskill themselves. They're taking the initiative to better themselves and move up their career.
That's right.
Okay, so next question. My cousin only have PMR. Can enroll for pen skills?
PMR actually minimum we will say SPM, but if
Okay.
let's say if it's PMR participants with the PMR, we will go through these evaluations to just to test the proficiency in the language lah. That make sure that you
Okay.
can understand, you know, when we conduct the training, you're able to absorb and benefit from it. Yeah, definitely we can
Okay.
consider that.
All right. Next question. Uh, where are your courses offered? In Penang or Shah Alam?
If for physical, right now, mostly in Shah Alam and Penang. Of course, it can be any part of Malaysia. It depends on the request by the clients. And because I think nowadays e-learning, online training has become a new norm now. And the beauty of this e-learning is like even now MCO is lifted and our e-learning is still going on because we have a lot of feedback that people actually started to enjoy that environment, like they can stay at home wearing pajamas and they're still able to get upgrade, you know, and upskilling.
Yes.
We don't have to actually travel to the hotel or travel to our premises to, you know, just to get upgraded. So this can be done via online right now. So this is the beauty of it. And it's just to share with you, and beyond, we also not just having the participant from all over Semenanjung Peninsula, Malaysia. We also have
Okay.
participants from East Malaysia, Sabah Sarawak, and also people from Singapore and people also from the Arab countries. And we're very happy of it. That's the beauty of the e-learning.
It is very impressive to show that, knowledge transcends geographical location. Those who really have the initiative and put in the determination to learn, nothing can stop them.
Absolutely. Well said. Well said. Well said. Mm.
Okay, just another question asking, can I apply for internship with you?
Internship, because we internship, maybe we can help you out to link with our customers because we do have clients. Actually, they might be looking for internship. We can help you out for that. No problem. Come to us.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right, no problem. And this is one last question for you today. Seeing that today's event is mainly based around employment opportunities, and then we also know that the unemployment rate in Malaysia is increasing due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Could you give us a few words to job seekers, who may feel lost after being jobless for many, many months and feel stuck? What would you say to them?
Okay. First of all, sorry for those people affected from the MCO, but I would just say don't give up. Take the
Mhm.
opportunity. Let's say if you really, unfortunately, you're jobless right now, take the opportunity to upgrade yourself. Pen skill is one of it. You can actually, there are so many opportunity you can always get. To upgrade yourself. Maybe if you're not able to travel, some even told me that they don't even have a car to go and travel and go to attend any classes. So e-learning may be your choice. Your could be
Okay.
your options. And then, like I
Mhm.
mentioned, beyond you only charge 99 ringgit basically
Yeah.
because we have considered this group of people that they might be jobless and money
Hmm.
might be a big problem and issue for them. So
Hmm.
we are making it very affordable, basically. So don't give up, and also connect with people who are still in the job market. They might be able to help you to introduce you to the company they're working with.
Okay, thank you very much, Christine, for that sharing. We now know that there are options out there. If employment at this point is not an option, it is a sign for the participants and job seekers to take a step back and reevaluate their life and also take this opportunity to upskill.
Correct, absolutely.
Okay, thank you so much, Christine, for your time today. Thank you.
Thank you, Beyonce, for having me.
All
Bye
right,
bye.
stay safe.